Shake it. Mix it, mix it.
Melt.
Hi. Can't feel my fingers anymore. I think this is good.
Hi guys, welcome to the easiest slime tutorial. Watch this video till the end because my slime will be with glitter and with pearls. Let's go. So you will need some clear and white glue, baby oil, some shaving cream, some toothpaste, some white glitter, pearl pigment, and pearls, and of course activator. Nothing new. I use borax mixed with water. So first of all, take about a tablespoon of white glue. I will add, I think this much of white glue. And about and a half of this of clear glue, like this. Ew, like this. So now, a little bit of shaving cream. Shake it. Like this.
Ooh, it's like growing.
And 2 drops of toothpaste.
Like this.
Like this. This is good. Mix it well. Now a little bit of white pearl pigment.
I'm taking like this, I think.
This is good. Don't try to add too much of pigment because pigment can paint your hands.
And I think this much of glitter will be good.
Good. Now mix it well.
Oh, it's looking so pretty.
Try to mix all of the pigments from sides of the bowl. Now a lot of pearls. I'm adding pearls for crunchiness. I don't know, whatever it's called.
I'm mixing it all together.
Take all of the beads out of the spoon,
like this.
I will be really dirty after this challenge. Now a little bit of baby oil. We're adding baby oil for stretchiness.
Like this.
This is good.
Now mix it all together.
I think I need to add a little bit more pigment.
Like this. This is good.
I think this is good.
It's so pretty.
So now I'm taking a teaspoon and putting my activator mixed with water. First we'll put 1 and 2 teaspoons.
Like this. Mix it, mix it.
You see it when you were trying to mix it first time when you put activator. You could see that it's already like taking out of the bowl, but when you mix it better, it like come back.
Now I have pigment on my spoon. a little bit more activator. 2 more spoons. I think I will mix all of the activator in, and when my slime will turn out good, I will come back to you guys. Oh, this is better. I think this is good. I can start mixing with my hands. Okay. I don't know why it's don't activating at all. I will put more borax. Ew. Now it's better. Looking better than it was. So it's sticky, but it's better than it was. It's becoming stretchy. Ah! It stick to me. I think I can take it out of the bowl because it's, you see, it's already sticking out of the bowl. Bye. It's becoming stretchier, and this is, I think, good slime. I don't need any more activator. I know it. Like this. It's clicky. I don't add anything to for clickiness, but yes, it is a little bit stickier than I expected. But it's really stretchy. A lot stretchy. Like this. 1 drop of activator. Ding. Like this. This is good. Why it's so cold? My slime is so cold. I can't feel my fingers anymore. Like this. keep mixing it until it doesn't stick to your hands anymore. Take all of the pieces from your hands, like this. Hi. Bye. You too. Go out of here. So, here's my slime. It's not sticky Sorry, a little bit sticky. It is crunchy, clicky, and stretchy. Hear this? I really love this pretty color. It is like a small cloud, seriously. And if you know, you could put any coloring you want into your slime. If you don't like white, you could use acrylic paint, you could use dry pastel, you could use dry pigment like I use. So whatever you want. If you're making water slime, you could use even some food coloring or watercolor, you know. If you want to make out of this slime butter slime, you can put cornstarch, but don't put too much. But if you already put too much in, you could use some toothpaste to soften it. If you put too much of toothpaste in and it's too sticky, you could put some, you can put some cornstarch in. But don't play with toothpaste, because if you put too much of toothpaste, it will just melt. Let's make a trendish rose. Stretch it, then fold. Stretch and fold. Oops, don't run away from me. Stretch, then fold. Stretch and fold. Then a rose. Here is my slime. It turned out just perfect as I wanted. I like this color. There's small beads that a little bit hurting your hands, but this is good. Good. I really love this color. I really love that it is clicky. It is really, really stretchy. Hi. You, there. I see you. You're watching this video. And don't subscribe. Subscribe. And give it a thumb up. And don't forget to click a bell to see more cool videos like DIYs, challenges, and unboxing videos. Hope you have a great day. I love you guys. Bye.